Hello everyone, this is Bridget here. Good morning and a warm welcome to my channel. So today I'm not going to cook anything as such, but I'm going to show you how to make a bread pudding in the microwave. Now this recipe for bread pudding is taken from my book. This book, the microwave cookbook of Anglo-Indian recipes, and the recipe is given on page 156, and it's given to be made in a mug, but I'm going to show you in a bowl so that we'll know and see how the bread pudding really comes out. So come, keep watching. So I'm going to tell you what the ingredients are. So you just take 2 slices of any bread, even stale bread. You could use any type of bread that you like, sandwich bread, white bread, brown bread, brioche, or any bread. So take 2 slices. You either cut them into like cubes, or you could just tear them into pieces. Then we have 1 egg that is beaten. Half a cup of milk. One or 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Then half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, now cinnamon powder you can omit if you like. If you don't have it at home, nothing to worry. It's not necessary that you need to have it. Okay, and we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So these are the very simple ingredients. We also need 1 tablespoon of butter that I'm going to melt first in the microwave, and then we're going to mix all the ingredients. So just keep watching. So first of all, you have to melt the butter in a microwave safe dish for around just 10 seconds. Then you swirl it around. I decided to change the bowl so that you could see it much better in a square dish. Now we begin by adding the sugar to our beaten egg. Okay, beat really well. Now I'm going to transfer this beaten egg into this bowl. And now we add the milk and all the other ingredients to this bowl. Okay, I'm adding the cinnamon powder. The vanilla essence, and we mix this well. Okay, if you want to omit the vanilla essence, you could do so. If you want to omit the cinnamon powder, please feel free to do so. The basic ingredient is egg, milk, and your bread. Now I'm going to pour this mixture over the bread. we transfer it to this bowl with the butter. Okay, you could add your plums and cashew nuts and raisins at this stage, but what I'm going to do is today just sprinkle some sugar on the top for it to brown. So I'm just going to sprinkle some sugar. Okay, now we are ready to start making the bread pudding in our bite. So now I'm going to put this into our microwave and I'm going to cook it on high for 1 minute. So you can see 1 minute. So we've cooked it for 1 minute. Now I'll remove it and show it to you. Okay, it still needs to be done. So now we are going to cook for like another 2 minutes, but with 30 seconds rest each time. So let it cook for 30 seconds and then we are going to remove it and I'm going to show you how. So a microwave actually is quite helpful in these days of hurry and rush, and this cookbook of mine that I've brought out has quite a few recipes that you all can try out. There you go, it's almost done. Another 30 seconds and our bread pudding is ready. Our bread pudding is done, and actually if you make it in a mug it just comes up, but since I wanted to show you how it looks in a microwave, I've made it in this way. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this very short video of making a bread pudding in the microwave. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching for more videos. Thank you so much. See, a lovely, lovely bread pudding.